Guess what? I am starting a vlog. So, if you're new here, my name is Dahlia, and I typically create cooking and baking videos on my channel, It's Raining Flour. But recently, I've decided that I'm going to add a vlog to the mix and start sharing behind the scenes of my days and just share my life with you. And I really hope that hopefully the vlog will be entertaining to you and that you like it. I've been working at this kitchen studio in my garage room for about 2 years now, and it is incredible. But I realized I never showed you the entire room. So now I'm gonna take you on a quick tour. First off is the office space. This space is one of my favorite places ever because I can do all my work here. I decorated it really nice, which I'm very proud of, and it is just a very lovely space to work in. And then there's my fridge back there where I keep, well, it's not really my fridge, it's the family fridge, but my mom basically lets me use almost all of it because I have a lot of stuff usually in there for videos. Then we turn around a little bit and then there's the inspiration wall. I was looking for some cute Pinterest ideas for this wall, and originally I was gonna frame all of these Etsy printouts, and then I realized, you know what, frames are like $12 each. I could just get the clipboards and they are like 99 cents each, and they look awesome. It's the easiest DIY ever. And then we have the sprinkles cabinet. This cabinet is amazing. Basically, lime sprinkles, oh, and food coloring. I hardly ever use this stuff now because I don't really use food coloring often because I try to do healthier, more natural recipes. But occasionally, you do need some sprinkles and food coloring. I have to add, my family friend neighbor, Rick Sherman, helped me basically build this whole thing. He built me that cabinet there, the sprinkles cabinet. He built so much of this room, so thank you so much, Rick. It's amazing. And then we have the entire kitchen studio, which is what everyone sees in the videos. So this kitchen studio is incredible. I have filmed about 160 something videos here, and then all the cabinets here are from Home Depot, the cheapest of the cheapest. I would not recommend buying them because they almost fell apart when they were being installed, but I had amazing people installing them, so they figured it out, but not a great recommendation, but they do look amazing. We also have all the studio lights on top. These are just cheap softbox lights. It came in a set of 3 for like $140. And then I just have one more light here because sometimes underneath the cabinets it could get a little bit dark, so that just lights the underneath the cabinets on that side. Then you turn a little bit more and there is a closet filled with all different kinds of cooking and baking goodies. So let's check it out. And now let's just do a 365 of the whole room. Okay, so that's studio room. I hope maybe it gave you some decoration inspiration. And now you saw the behind the scenes if you were wondering what the whole room looked like. So now I have to go do an Instagram photo shoot. So let's get to it. So now I'm gonna take you into the back patio room, which is where I do all my food photography so that I can have really, really nice natural light. Yum, I am so excited to eat the salad. I just did the photo shoot, and now I'm going to edit pictures while I eat my lunch. This is a really, really late lunch. It's like 3 o'clock now, but better late than never. So you can see here, I'm at my desk with my computer, and I'm going to start editing the pictures. I actually already edited one, and it looked really, really cool. So So I just finished editing and I have 3 really nice options that I like. So here they are. We have this one, this option. They're all really similar. And then, where is it? Here. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna choose yet, but I guess you'll see when it's up on Instagram. You can check me out at It's Raining Flower on Instagram. So I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I actually have some recipe testing I have to do now, and I have to get it done super quickly, so I can't film it, but I'll for sure show you how I recipe test another day. Also, let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed this vlog and what you liked about it, what you want to see in future vlogs. It would just really help me out. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye!